Welcome back. In the previous module, we looked at quality theme. In this module, we are going to look at plans theme. The plans theme provides a framework to design, develop and maintain the project's plans, the development and maintenance of credible plans, provided a baseline against which progress can be measured and stakeholders' commitment can be sought. The purpose of plans theme is to facilitate communication and control by defining the means of delivering the products that are the backbone of management information required. That must include timescales, what will be delivered, how and by whom. Plans theme is a detailed proposal for doing or achieving something which specifies the what, when, how and by whom it will be achieved. It enables the project team to understand what products need to be delivered, the risk, both opportunities and threats, any issues with the definition of scope, which people, specialist equipment and resources are needed, when activities and events should happen, whether targets are achievable or not. Types of plans. PRINCE2 recommends 3 levels of plans: plan for entire project, planning at stage level and a team plan. Project plan is a high level plan showing the major products of the project, when they will be delivered and at what cost. It shows the major products, activities and resources required for the project. The initial project plan is presented as part of the PID during the initiating a project process. It is revised and updated towards the end of the each management stage. Stage plan is a detailed plan used as the basis for project management control throughout a management stage. It is similar to project plan in content, but each element is broken down into level of detail required for day-to-day control by the project manager. The initiation stage plan is created during the starting up a project process. All subsequent stage plans are produced near the end of the current management stage when preparing for the next management stage. Team plan is an optional level of a plan used as the basis for team management control, produced by the team manager to facilitate the execution of one or more work packages, created by the team managers in managing products delivery processes and updated by them in the same processes. Exception plan is prepared for the appropriate management level to show actions required to recover from or avoid a forecast deviation from agreed tolerances. Exceptions plans are prepared at the same level of detail as the plan they replace. If approved, it will be led to new project plan or stage plan. Exception plans are not produced for work packages. PRINCE2's minimum requirement for plans theme is to ensure that plans enable the business case to be realized. Have at least 2 management stages, an initiation stage and one further management stage. Produce a project plan for the project as a whole and a stage plan for each management stage. Use product based planning for the project plan, stage plan and exception plans. Define the roles and responsibilities for planning. Use lessons to inform planning. PRINCE2 plans theme requires the following 4 products which are to be produced and maintained, that is project product description, product breakdown structure and plan. Project product description is a description of the overall project's output, including the customer's quality expectations together with the acceptance criteria and acceptance methods for the project. As such, it applies to project plan only. Product description is a description of each product's purpose, composition, derivation and quality criteria. Product breakdown structure is a hierarchy of all the products to be produced during a plan. Plan provides a statement of how and when objectives are to be achieved by showing the major products, activities and resources required for the scope of the plan. The planning approach involves designing a plan, defining and analyzing the products, identifying activities and dependencies, preparing estimates, preparing a schedule, documenting a plan and analyzing the risks. Designing the plan. This involves the number of management stages, the length of management stages and delivery approaches, the format and presentation of the plan has to be designed as part of this step. Management stages and delivery approaches is one method of grouping work is by the set of techniques used for products created. This results in a delivery approach covering elements such as design, build and implementation. Delivery approaches are different from management stages, and the work comprising delivery step is always included within a management stage as work package or activities. Define and analyze the product involves writing a product description, creating a product breakdown structure, writing product description, creating a product flow diagram. The activity writing a product description is at a project plan only. Other three activities can be done at all the levels of the plan. Just to summarize, as part of this module, we went through understanding the plan's theme. In the next module, we are going to look at risk theme. Hope to see you there.